How to change currency on Booking.com app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Booking.com app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Booking.com account. Once there, all you have to do is look for the any reservations. As you can see, my reservations are in US dollars. So now in order to change this currency, let's get back to the home page of the Booking.com app. Then simply tap on the My Account option available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your Booking.com account section. And once inside the account, simply scroll down and tap on the Device Preferences option available there or Device Appearance option available there. And once you tap on it, you can see Currency option available there. Simply tap on it and scroll down and make it according to your preferences. You can see many options of currencies available there. Tap on it, or you can also tap on the search address bar and search for it. Once changed, go back to the reservations and check if the currency has changed or not. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.